Welcome to the HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off wireless power sharing on this device. So to do that, we should first launch the settings application and then scroll down to the battery section. After that, we can see here the wireless reverse charging. So just to activate the switcher, you should click here once on the switcher, and as you can see, in my case, it's not just available because my battery level is less than 20%. If you want to use the wireless charging, you should just charge your device to, for example, to 50 or to 100 to 85%. Unfortunately, I just can't activate it, so you should to activate it, click here once on the switcher, and that will work after that. Also, you can use the fast charging speed mode in wireless charging here, but to do that, you should click here on this switcher, and to turn it off, you should click on the switcher once again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.